James from Memorial has a question about an attic fan.
Well, he's considering adding one, Tom.
Okay.
James writes, I recently had a new 4-ton AC installed in my 2,000-square-foot 2-story home. It's a townhome. And after about 10 days, I had a musty smell in the bathroom. And while downstairs stays rock-solid cold, he says about 72 degrees. Upstairs, it gets around 80 during the days. And the ducts checked out all right, but the tech recommended an attic fan to cool it off. Tom, James wants your advice.
I'm not anti-attic fan for every house. They have their application, especially the new solar ones. They're very clever. It's not going to solve your problem. He didn't have a problem until they put the new AC in.
I'm thinking.
I don't know how to go forward with this. The fact of the matter is they didn't put the AC in right. Why it's doing that, I don't know. But someone didn't do due diligence when it comes to installing your new air conditioning system. It should outperform the old one, not underperform the old one.
My question is, did you put it in the same size or a bigger one? And sometimes, Rick has told me they'll come in and put a bigger system in an old one, but not redo the ducts or not modify the ducts to handle that new system, and it winds up not being able to cool as well.
Well, and that's why I don't want to say it's the ducts or it's the evaporator coil or it's this or that, but it was not put in properly. So adding an attic fan, and for an AC guy to tell you add an attic fan and all our work will be perfect, that really makes me think the guy doesn't know what he's doing.
I'm thinking that when one trade tells you to call another trade to fix their problem, that's a signal.
Yeah, so you just need someone who knows what they're doing, because that should not have happened whatsoever. Yeah. And if it is a duct issue, they should have fixed the duct issue too.
So Rick at Absolute Comfort Air, that's the guy that can help you out with that.
All of them, the people at Absolute Comfort
Air.
Air.
I'm just saying Rick's the guy we usually walk in our door. So you got a question, we can help you out. We'll give you a cool answer. How's that? You'd like these videos over here. Or you should subscribe to our channel and you'll see a lot more of them.